Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to connect your T10 Ultra 2 to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another tutorial to show you on how to connect to your smartphone. So guys, all we have to do is we are going to set QR code, okay? And if you have an Android or iPhone, just scan the QR code. So in our case, let's scan using our Android phone. Okay, and it says here open the website. Alright, and let's download. Okay, it says here Access Fit, and let's tap on install. Okay, so it says there guys, installing. Okay, and we are going to tap open. Okay, and just tap on agree. Okay, allow access fees to access your physical activity. Just tap on allow. Okay, and just all allowed guys. Okay, and you can log in using your Google or your mailbox. In our case, let's just tap on log in directly. Okay, but you have to tap this circle tick here. I have read and agreed the privacy policy, and tap on log in directly. Okay, so this is our account number and password. So if you want, you can just screenshot or take a screenshot. Okay, and then you can just set it yourself. Okay, the nickname. Okay, and tap OK. Okay, and then please enable notification. Just go to set. Okay, relax as fit, and tap on allow notification access. Okay, there are actually Access Fit Pro, but this one, it just uses Access Fit. Okay, now guys, all we have to do is we're going to tap on my, and search device. Okay, permission description in the process of use, so just tap on allow, location, and just tap on okay. So just you need to allow the location guys. Okay, allow while using the device. So it has discovered this here watch, so just tap on it. Okay, and it says here device is connected successfully. So for us to check guys if it is really connected, just tap on find device. Okay, and now guys, our T10 Ultra 2, it's actually vibrating. Okay, so it's just very easy guys. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.